Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn an IELTS course. First, understand the exam structure and how scores are calculated. Next, assess your current English level to identify strengths and weaknesses. Then, set a clear, achievable target score based on your academic or immigration goals. Finally, decide if you need the academic or general training module, as this impacts your study plan. Now, let's focus on developing your core English skills. Dedicate time to improving your reading comprehension by engaging with a variety of texts. Actively enhance your listening abilities using different audio materials. Consistently practice writing essays and reports to refine your structure and vocabulary. Lastly, boost your speaking fluency and pronunciation through regular, focused practice sessions. Effective practice is key to success. Make sure to utilize official IELTS practice tests regularly to familiarize yourself with the exam environment. Learn crucial time management techniques for each section to ensure you complete tasks efficiently. Understand common question types and develop strategic approaches for answering them. Always review your mistakes thoroughly to pinpoint areas needing more attention. As you near your exam date, simulate full-length tests under strict exam conditions. This helps build stamina and reduces surprises. Seek constructive feedback on your speaking and writing from experienced tutors or native speakers. It's vital to stay calm and manage any stress effectively in the days leading up to the exam. Finally, review key grammar rules and expand your vocabulary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.